my new video. This video how to Excel Vba open in form only, close form only. Open Excel. This is a careful work. This is open one Excel sheet and go to develop button. Then and go Visual Basic. This I have form. Insert form. Okay. This form only open. Form this application to form elect to open, how to open only user form. Click first not forgot. Click a button. This is not forgot. This command button and there is a caption. Command button change developer. Developer. Okay, change in developer. This is a must this first add developer switch add. If is a first if application visible false and false and MSG box say message. Are you developer? Are you developer message? MSG box are you developer? Information. VB cancel button. OK and cancel. Title information. Info. And close the bracket. Equal is VB OK then. Okay, then is then application through. Application through. Visible through. Application visible to unload me. Unload me. End if. End if. Must this must this develop button. This is the button I first give. Okay. With the save desktop save. Marco enable saving. Okay. Yeah, that's go save. And after we go unload button. A form, user form. Unload query close. Unload button. If application closing the workers will close app application visible summon we equal false, then okay, active workbook save. No problem. Yeah, set active workbook close, close active workbook, active window close, active close. Okay, this is the first thing. Running, no problem. Running. Developer, how you want developer? Okay. Walk in the. Oh, no, end if. End if. Okay. Now we are go to this workbook. Okay. Workbook open. Here go workbook open. Is visible. Application. Visible. Some false. Go to user form. Copy user form 1. Go to worksheet. User form. Show SHO. Okay, now from the sheet, this workbook, the code is this only. The form code this only. I put this discussion box to this one I put. Okay, now this okay. Now this is a clear, very keep to work. This is code problem not open. Another problem come. Okay. Now we are now off, close and open this. Okay. Now open. Okay. Close. Okay. Close. No. Oh. This I can change. We give Chrome with ഒരു shortcut give and change icon, any icon, no problem. Okay, now I can change it. Not understand what is it application. Okay, now okay. If you have this develop this button, this button, okay, are you developer? Cancel, no problem. Are you developer? Okay, this come and code and workbook, this form, this screen print image application, and this developer, this code. Okay, this code. But if we two and two condition, okay, I put the description. Please like this video and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much watching my video. Okay.